All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is August 15th, 2024. This is the BYOB Market Wrap Up with me, John Kerrigan. This is, I moderate the BYOB trading room. Let's take a look at some charts. First chart we'll look at SPY, SPY, ripping in the last minutes here in the aftermarkets. Let's see what we got here on the 10-minute. 10-minute. We got ourselves an uptrend on the 10-minute chart. On the 2-hour chart, we still have a 2-hour uptrend. On the daily chart, what do we have? Did we take out those highs? Let's see. Not quite. No cigar yet. All right, coming close, but not yet. These are the entries today. First entry, 549.80. Second entry, 550.75. This is a green erases red entries. 551.15, 551.31, 551.85, 552.58, 552.75, 552.99. All right, you can see green erases red. It was an up day, solid day, up day all day. Had a little pullback in the middle of the day. Look at the 10-minute chart. Got a little whoop-de-whoop right here, a little whoop-de-whoop right there. All right, there's a gap up and a go. Okay. Bears didn't have any edge today. They didn't have any power at all. They seemed powerless. All right, let's take a look at, what do we want to look at? Let's look at QQQ. All right, QQQ on the daily chart. All right, QQQ high, 575.55. QQQ high, 574.82, almost, okay? Bulls have to take out that high in order to break the downtrend for QQQ. Let me just say this. They're putting up a good fight, all right? So FNGU, all right, FNGU got to take out this high to be in an uptrend, still in a downtrend. Guess what? They're putting up a good fight, all right? So Diamond Dow got to take out this high to be in an uptrend, all right? I mean, it's all systems go trying to break this downtrend. There's Diamond Dow. Let's take a look at IWM. All right, so everything's still in a downtrend, but some of them are dangerously close to converting those to uptrends, all right? IWM, higher low, higher high, closing over bullish trap over the 17 EMA. IWM still in a downtrend. All of the Fab Five still in downtrends. Look at the technicals. Well, we spent the day in between the buy zone and the overbought zone, kind of meandering back and forth. Bulls couldn't throw us out of either one, so we just kind of chopped away up here in the buy overbought zone. T2123 on the 15-minute chart. What do we got? Price action breaking up through, all right, that rolling over 200 SMA, consolidating over that. That's bullish. All right, so that's T2123. Green from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. T2123 3-bar. Oh my gosh, 3 green candles, finally. 3 green candles up over flat 200 SMA right there. T2123, trying to turn it around, put that right shoulder in. FNGU, green from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. They just bull flagged. See this? Bull flag up, over to the right, up, over to the right. I got to tell you, I think we got some more of this for tomorrow. We'll see. Probably consolidation tomorrow, and then another up over to the right. I don't know. It's options expiration Friday. They'll probably wing it out there somewhere. But this is bullish. This is bullish. We have 2-hour uptrends on SPY, QQQ, IWM, Diamond Dow, and FNGU, all in 2-hour uptrends. All right, so there's our technicals. Go back, let's take a look at the energy sector. USO in an uptrend, broke that high. So USO, today's price action, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. USO in an uptrend. UNG fighting the downtrend. UNG high today 1520. No, high today 1522. The high to beat 1520. They're now in an uptrend. UNG now in an uptrend, taking out that high. So UNG breaks the downtrend. Let's take a look at SLV. SLV had a good day, still in a downtrend till it takes out this high. Higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Silver still in a downtrend. GLD in an uptrend, making higher lows and higher highs. GLD, what do we got here? Looking like a lower high and a lower low, closing inside the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. There's GLD, still in an uptrend. Nice bull flag there. Looking like a windup, if you ask me. All right, so let's take a look at XLK. XLK breaks the high here. XLK in an uptrend. UNG in an uptrend. USO in an uptrend. Let's take a look at SMH. SMH. See what we got. 247.69. 247.34. Close but no cigar. Still in a downtrend, but really close. XRT, retail sector, still in a downtrend until we break this high right there. Let's take a look at XLF. XLF till we break this high right here. Still in a downtrend. Putting up a good fight. IYT, transports. All right, till we break this high right here. IYT with a higher low and a higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Seeing all this stuff gap up at the end. Those are traders fill those gaps in with moves. I don't know if we get another gap up tomorrow. We could. We'll see what we get, but we could get another gap up tomorrow. All right, so we'll see what happens. Had a good day today. Really good day. So for me, it was a good day. There's gains and losses right there. All right. Really nice day. All right. So we'll see how that goes tomorrow. All right, traders, that's it. What's the difference between counter trend and pullback? Well, counter trend is when you're playing a 10-minute uptrend or you're playing a 10-minute downtrend that's above pivot. All in all, on the 2-hour chart, you got a 2-hour uptrend. But you're playing counter trend would be like to play the 10-minute downtrend or the 2-minute downtrend. That would be counter trend. Pullback, kind of the same thing. All right? They're both the same. Does that answer your question? Barry says, look at ASTS. That's on my list. Let's take a look at ASTS. ASTS. Here's ASTS for the day. All the way up to 33. This is on my Bulls Bears list. All right. Nice rip today. All thanks to earnings. Nothing that, we could have predicted. All in all, we got a nice uptrend going there and a ripped. Yep. Sega was looking great yesterday. And if you didn't take your profit, you got ripped. They recovered 100% of that. I got to tell you, I'm still bullish. If they recovered 100% of that rip down, well, not 100% of the rip down, but here's where we left off. We're right back where we left off prior to these two candles higher yesterday. I got to tell you, I think Sega goes higher. I mean, look at what they recovered. All of that. Let's see, over the 50-yard line. they get over the 50-yard line, Robert, I'm a bull. As long as they're under the 50-yard line, I got to give it to the Bears. But if they consolidate right along top, right in this box right here, that's going to be bullish if they consolidate in this box. All right? Consolidating inside that box is bullish. Consolidating on top of prior consolidation, which would be right through here, consolidating on top of that consolidation would be really bullish. That would be good. Consolidating up there. Nice comeback. I never saw that coming. I thought for sure it was over. So really nice comeback for SIGA. And BVNRY. Let's take a look at BVNRY. Try it again. That's bullish. A little extended. You know, you can always get another pullback, but that's looking good. On the 2-hour, you got an uptrend. On the daily, you got a bust out move and an inside day. Look for the consolidation breakout on the inside day. So you got consolidation here. So I like this as long as green takes out red. Green takes out red up here. I like it. Go back to the daily. Let's just put one in there. Put one in here. So here's our all-time high. Here's our high anchored VWAPs right here. All right. So you can see closing up above 1350 would be really good. You can see how they came right up there and hit that all-time high anchored VWAP and bounced off. They're consolidating right now. It's an inside day. Might get another inside day and look for the breakout. I don't know how much you'll get. Maybe $1 off of it. But $1 off of a $10 stock is really good. Yeah, I know. Okay. That's what happened. Well, I mean, if they bombed, I would count it out. But from what I hear, a lot of foreign countries are snapping up that vaccine. It might not be, how do I say it, eligible to sell in the USA, but it may be eligible to sell in some of these foreign countries. Yeah, they're still in, right, exactly, okay. So we'll see what happens. I still think it looks good. I mean, they have the vaccine that is effective, and I think they're about the only one that has one. I think there's maybe a couple others, but not too many. So we'll see what happens. I think it's still bullish. I think it goes back up and attacks those highs. That was a nice recovery today. You know what, Robert? They might have released that news on purpose. You know what I'm saying? That might have been their strategy. Okay. So, what is Bavarian Nordic? Do they do monkeypox as well? Well, if they're reporting cases around the world, is the number one okay? Well, I tell you this, and we'll see what happens, but it's looking good for both of them. There should be some sales in vaccine. Alan, thank you. All right. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you, Alan. All right. Did anybody not make money today? Did anybody not make money? You did not. Did I feed you a bad line, Brad? Okay. You stopped out a bunch of times. All right. Anybody else? Brave enough to answer? Couldn't get it back. Okay. You're just watching, all right? Today was a nice, easy day. It was up all day. I thought for sure it was going to gap and fade, but they decided to gap and go. After I saw that, I put up the stats like, hey, here's the buy places right here, here. You're up, Ron. Awesome. Love it. Congrats, Ron. I love it. All right. That's it, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. Everybody have a beautiful evening. Thanks for being here.